Hello, welcome to another Dev Diary. I'm doing this Dev Diary because I've just sent off a submission to Obsidian for the Project Cards plugin, um, now called Project Browser. I didn't want to pigeonhole it to being cards, so just renamed it. Anyway, it hasn't changed much since the last Dev Diary and since you last saw it. But to bring it up, this is it. So you can browse around folders, you can go back, you can go into files, you can change the state from up here really easily. We'll go back. There's lots of deficiencies at the moment because it's just an alpha release, and I just want to get it into the Obsidian plugin repository, plugin search box, and then I'll keep iterating it. But if you go to the link in the comment section of this video, you'll find the plugin. So Obsidian can take a while to confirm a plugin and put it into their library. So if you want to install it straight away, it might not be that useful. It's not that useful to me yet. There's a couple of features that really need to go into it to get useful. But you'll see some of those in the README. So you'll see a screenshot of it. Obviously, you'll get instructions on installation. So these instructions are for the plugin Brat, which will let you install it from this repository pretty easily. Without having to wait for Obsidian to confirm it and put it into their library. So just expand that and view those. You can always find these development diaries from that page as well, or my YouTube channel, or any of my social media accounts. They're all the same, so I post the same stuff to all of them. So just follow the one that suits you best. Or follow me on all of them. I don't mind. I would actually love that. But the most important thing that I want to show you is the roadmap. So February, we're just out of February, but these are all the things that I did at a high level. But most importantly, there's an indication of when I'll get to other things. So if you're wondering when that feature is going to get in, or if that feature is going to get in, then have a look at this roadmap here. So in March this month, I'm going to be looking at these things. So adding a new file folder button. So that's one of the big things that's missing. Remembering the last state and having consistent navigation. So when you go into a markdown file, you can click back and you get back to the plugin, the browser, but it'll take you back to the root directory. So that'll get fixed, and in general, that stuff will get much better. Custom view modes per section. So what I noted was, this is great for, this card view is great for stuff that you're working on, but stuff that's just ideas where you've maybe got hundreds of things in there that you haven't started working on yet, then you don't really want cards like that. You want a bit more of a list. So being able to change between those different kinds of views. Showing non-markdown files. At the moment, it's not limited. No, it is limited to markdown files, but I'll just show a simple version of other files to start. Reworking folder states. It doesn't quite work as well as I would like yet. I won't bother explaining how it works. It's just an alpha thing, and it's going to change very quickly. And then at the moment, it's kind of locked into this kind of dark theme. So I will adapt it to themes, and then that'll be all the basic functionality, and then I'll go into kind of putting in more customization and styling. And then later more styling and accessibility, and then there's some future possibilities that I haven't necessarily decided I want to do yet, but they've kind of crossed my mind as things that could be good. Cool. That's it. Hope you like it. Let me know if you install it and how it goes for you. If you see any bugs, feel free to kind of post an issue in GitHub up here. But yeah, reach out to me on social media, and thanks for checking it out if you do.